Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default search engine on your Chromebook. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting our clock at the far right corner of our shelf. So go ahead and left click on that and then select the setting icon. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the main menu on the far left side up at the top left, and then you want to select where it says Search and Assistant. Where it says Preferred Search Engine, click inside this drop down here, and now you have 4 different choices besides Google. So you have Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, as well as Ecosia. So you can make your pick from there. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.